how you cook corn in the microwave. Just picked off the corn cob. Still has the tassels. Stick it in the microwave. We're going to go 3.5 minutes. And we're going to cook it for 3.5 minutes. And then I'll show you what we do afterwards. Okay, now we take the corn out of here, and we're going to let it sit for just a minute or two. Okay, we let it sit for a couple minutes. Now we find where the ear of corn starts. It starts right there. I'm going to cut it. Now watch this. Voila! Take the butter, brush butter on it. And you're ready to eat. That easy.